In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your orders on AliExpress. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each status means, and how to read the shipment details so you can follow your package with confidence. First, open your web browser and go to www.aliexpress.com. You can use any modern browser. Just make sure your internet connection is stable so pages load correctly. If the site redirects to a regional version, that's fine. The steps are the same. Next, log into your account. Use the same account you used to place the order so your purchases show up correctly. If you have multiple sign-in options, stick to the one you originally used to avoid confusion. Once you're in, wait a moment for your profile to load before moving on. Now go to My Orders. You'll find it in the top right area under your account menu or profile icon. Click it and you'll be taken to a page listing all your recent purchases along with their current statuses. This page is your hub for tracking and managing deliveries. Find the order you want to track. If you have several orders, use the search bar or filters to narrow it down by date, keyword, or status. Look for the product image, the order number, and a short description to make sure you've got the right one. You may also see status labels like awaiting shipment, in transit, or delivered. These give you a quick snapshot before you open the details. Click Track Order next to the correct item. This will open the tracking panel or a dedicated tracking page. If it takes a second to load, that's normal. Tracking updates come from external carriers and may refresh at different speeds. Finally, review the shipment progress and delivery details. You'll typically see a timeline with checkpoints such as package received, departed facility, customs cleared, and out for delivery. You should also see the courier name, the tracking number, the origin and destination, and an estimated delivery window. Keep in mind that international shipping can include longer gaps between scans, especially during customs processing or transfers between carriers. It's normal for updates to lag by 24 to 48 hours, and estimated dates can shift slightly as new scans appear. If you're comparing multiple orders, note that different items may travel with different carriers, so their timelines won't always match. That's it. Go to the site, log in, open My Orders, find your purchase, click Track Order, and read the shipment details to stay informed. Follow these steps whenever you want an update